parent, welcome to the TestprepKart channel. This video is going to be about SAT exam preparation, the syllabus and the study material. I will be talking about how to prepare and which material will help you in this video. Now, if you plan to submit SAT with your application, it's likely impacts your chances of acceptance. Preparation can be the key to making those scores work in your favor. But what's the best way to prepare? How do you practice? Does tutoring make sense? How can you bulk up your vocabulary? Pay attention as I enumerate 7 helpful tips and strategies that every test taker should know when preparing for the SAT exam. Tip number 1, familiarize yourself with the details. Understanding the test structure, instructions, and the type of questions you will be asked will save you valuable time on test day. You can find detailed instructions for the SAT in our TestprepKart study material. Second tip, practice, practice, and practice. Set aside time to take real full and practice tests. Use a timer to get accustomed to the time limits and try to pace yourself so you have enough time to get to all the questions. After finishing each test, check your answers and devote ample time to reviewing the questions you got wrong. No fun in just going on solving paper on paper. Go back, review, try to analyze what went wrong. How do I not go wrong the next time I do the same? You're likely to take the PSAT exam in school during your sophomore year and again junior year. If you're planning to take the SAT exam, use your PSAT test results to estimate a target score and create a study plan. Now, this is like a mock that you're taking before you go for your actual SAT. You should do as many tests as possible. And you need to have a plan of action. You also have all of our study materials available. Once you enroll with us, we will be giving you ample study material. In addition to this, you also have sample questions available on the College Board's website. Third tip, start reading. Study material from College Board. Now, this is the official content that you have. TestprepKart study material, an invaluable resource. TestprepKart video solutions, so that you have a proper understanding of how to approach the SAT. Now, we give you complete with full practice tests based on actual exams from past years, which can help you study well. Tip number 4, get to class or tutoring. If you find it hard to study on your own, you may want to consider taking a test prep class. When you don't understand an answer, having an instructor by your side to explain it can be of enormous help. Enrolling with TestprepKart for your preparation will assist you because you will have a mentor who will be able to identify your gray areas and help you overcome the same. Tip number 5, work your memory. The SAT exam lists some formulas for you at the front of each math section. And it's important that you know all basic math formulas and concepts. With enough practice problems, you should be able to memorize them, which can help save you time during the actual test. Tip number 6, increase your vocabulary. In addition to taking ample practice tests, you should also practice reading challenging books and articles. The College Board publishes a list of suggested readings. I will be helping you understand what books can actually help you enhance your understanding of the English language, because it's not just the surface level reading or giving a cursory glance. You need to have a thorough understanding and infer. Inference skills are a must. Now, reading will help you with reading comprehension passages on your SAT. I shall be posting some of the suggested reading books in the description below in this video. When you come across an unfamiliar word, highlight or underline it, then look it up. This will pay dividends for your whole life, not just when it comes to enhancing your test score for the SAT. The seventh step, study on the move. There are apps available. Keep practicing your vocabulary. Keep listening. The more you listen, the more you practice. That is your key. With lessons in the palm of your hand, you can track your progress and prepare for the test wherever you go. If you give yourself plenty of time to study and heed attention to some of these tips, you'll be prepared to face the test head on. Good luck. If you have any further doubts or clarifications, do comment below or connect with us on the link in the description. Do subscribe to our channel to keep yourself posted with new topics. Thank you.